I would like to talk about what it means to build your own unique acting style. Are you wondering how to build your own unique style of acting? In this video, I will explore 5 helpful tips to put in your back pocket. So how do you go about finding your own unique acting style, your own unique voice, especially in this world filled with influencers, social media, AI, not to mention a world already filled with iconic approaches, techniques, and expectations? I believe it's possible and essential for every actor to find his or her own unique voice. It is a journey that requires exploration, passion, and a touch of bravery. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out on your acting journey or looking to deepen and evolve your craft. Here are some essential tips to help you build a unique acting style that's unmistakably and undeniably yours. Tip number 1, study the greats, but don't imitate them. I believe you can't build something new without informing yourself about what came before. As a young actor myself, and I still do this, I went to all of the huge, giant, important actors that I knew about. Robert De Niro, Marlon Brando, Daniel Day-Lewis, James Dean, Ellen Burstyn, Jenna Rollins, Meryl Streep. The list goes on and on and on. But while this might be of a tremendous help and also inspiration, which helps you understand the type of work that you respond to, that sparks your inspiration and that really, really turns you on. The thing about it is, looking at these iconic actors and the work that they've done and the legacy that they've left behind, it's important to remember it's not about imitating these great actors. It's about taking what you can learn about what they possess. Maybe it's a sense of presence. Maybe it's a sense of intensity, emotional depth, risk. Remember, the goal is not just to copy. Think of it as culinary inspiration. You see a great recipe, learn the ingredients, learn the techniques, and then you take those important bits and pieces of inspiration, and then you make your own recipe. Don't forget, no matter who you admire and look up to, it can never replace the special ingredients that you already have inside. So watch the greats, learn from them, take what you can from them, and then make it your own. Tip number 2, know thyself. Every unique acting style begins with self-awareness. Your personality, the way that you speak, your life experience, your emotional accessibility, the way that you behave. These are all things that make you different than anybody else. As you begin your journey of self-discovery, there are so many questions that you can ask yourself. For instance, what emotions do I access most easily and most naturally? What are my strengths? It might be comedic timing. It might be raw vulnerability. It might be stillness. And then, what types of characters do I gravitate towards? Early on in my journey as an actor, I sat in front of my acting coach, my mentor Susan Batson, and I said, I just want to know I want to figure out how to cry. That's the only thing that I wanted to do. And she said to me very, very clearly at that time, I think I must have been 23 or 24 years old, just starting out. She said, you will have no problem accessing your vulnerability, but I feel like at this point in your development, it's going to be through your anger. And she was absolutely right. And I tried that, I think, for the next few years. That's how I found my vulnerability, is I had to first pass through my anger. And as I grew as a human being, just in my life, and as an actor, there was a time when I didn't need to do that anymore. And it was like this huge discovery that just came out of nowhere. There was no warning. It just happened. And I think this is one of the things that is really fascinating about the artistic journey over time, that the journey of becoming an actor is something that really carries throughout your life. And as you grow as a human being, you also grow as an actor. So the more you understand yourself, the more you're going to discover about your own uniqueness and your own qualities and all the things that you can offer the art form. Tip number 3, explore all of the different techniques. Stanislavski, Meisner, Stella Adler, Strasberg, Uta Hagen, Susan Batson, Chekhov. These are all different viewpoints. Some of them have a lot in common with each other. There are countless acting techniques. And the thing about it is, none of them hold the single key to great acting. So in terms of figuring out what kind of technique works for you, I like to think of it like this. Rather than getting married to one technique, let yourself date. Date them all. It's okay. Try different exercises. Try different techniques. See what resonates. And you can pull different things from different techniques. The different things that work for you. It doesn't just have to be one thing. And at the same time, if one thing resonates with you, then stick with it. Your acting style becomes yours when you understand that the technique is only a means to an end. And you take what you can use and you create your own version of what works for you. Tip number 4, treat your body and soul like an instrument. This is your guitar. This is your piano. This is your musical instrument for acting. That includes not only your physical body, but your emotional self, the experiences that you've been through in your life, your voice, how you walk, how you breathe, how you behave, how you use eye contact with people that you meet on a daily basis. All these things are part of your instrument. And there are different ways you can train your instrument beyond just acting techniques, movement classes, martial arts, dance classes, even going to the gym. Tip number 5, take risks, even if you fail. True originality comes with risk. Sometimes, as actors, when we begin to try to take risks, we feel it might be weird or it might be going too far against the grain. Who cares? It's okay. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work and you can try something else. Just like they say often in the rehearsal process with a director. Just take the risk to go all the way with a choice. And the director, if it's too big, they'll pull you back. But it's better to go all the way rather than hold it back. And you definitely don't want to apologize for your choices and for your decisions that you make creatively. Taking risks will help you tremendously in terms of learning what your unique voice can be. Try that unique interpretation of a certain moment, or try to infuse humor into the drama when you feel compelled. Bring stillness into the chaos. Do the thing that no one else thought of, even if it doesn't work. Audiences and directors, remember bold and honest choices that actors make, not safe ones. In conclusion, the things that make you different are actually the things that make you powerful. You don't have to fit in to be successful. You just have to care deeply and passionately for the work that you do and be yourself. Developing your own acting style is an ongoing process, a lifelong process. It's a process of experimentation, self-discovery, training, and trust. But as you learn about yourself and lean into your individuality, you'll find that you not just become a better actor, you become an unforgettable actor. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Click on the description below for links to our website and to learn more about the new Collective Acting Studio and our private coaching membership. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.